this video, I'm going to show you how to connect and set up your Wi-Fi extender. So if you want to connect your Wi-Fi extender to your router and basically just get a better internet connection around your house, I'm going to show you two different solutions to do this. Now, the very first thing we need to do is just go and grab your Wi-Fi extender, and then you need to place the extender into a power outlet located near your router. Now, you can move the extender further away after we've set this up, but to begin with, I'd recommend plugging it in near the router. So just wait a few minutes for the extender to power on. You should see a series of lights on the extender, and you'll just need to wait for these to become solid. Now, the first method to connect this extender to your router is you can just head over to your main router, and you should have a button called WPS somewhere on the router. And all you need to do is hold this WPS button for around about 3 seconds. You may see a WPS light that starts blinking, and then you can go and release that button, and then you can head back over to your Wi-Fi extender. Now, you may also have a WPS button on your Wi-Fi extender as well. So if you see a WPS button on your extender, then you'll also need to go and press this. And just make sure to press the button on the extender within a couple of minutes of pressing it on the router. Now, if you've done this correctly, the router and extender will connect automatically, and you should be able to see the LED light on your extender turn to a solid color. So you can see I have an extender light here, and this should go and change color to indicate that the connection's been successful. Now, once it's all connected, you can go and reposition the extender to somewhere else now in your house. So you can go and plug this in upstairs or somewhere further away from the router, and that's the first method to connect your Wi-Fi extender to the router. Now, another way to do this is by manually setting up the Wi-Fi extender ourselves. So if you don't have a WPS button on the extender, then you'll need to go and use this method instead. So all we're going to do is make sure the extender is plugged into the power outlet just like before, and make sure it's turned on and the LED lights are solid. Now, once your extender is plugged in, you'll need to head over to a laptop or to your mobile device, and you'll just need to bring up your Wi-Fi connections. Now, from your list of Wi-Fi devices, you should be able to see the Wi-Fi extender that we plugged in. Now, the actual name of this network should be displayed on the extender, and we just need to go and look for that Wi-Fi connection in this list. So my connection is this Wi-Fi one here, and you can see it currently doesn't have a password. So I'm going to click on this and then click connect. Now, if you don't see your Wi-Fi extender from the list, then you may need to go and reset your Wi-Fi extender. Now, to do that, there'll usually be a reset button on the extender, and you can go and hold down the reset button for around about 30 seconds. Once you've done that, you can try coming back over to Wi-Fi, and you should now be able to connect to it from the list. So once you've connected to your Wi-Fi, it should open up a page like this. Now, you'll also be able to find this information located on the extender itself. So if I show you what my extender looks like, you can see all of this information is displayed here. And if it doesn't take you straight over to this web browser, then you can always go and type in the IP address of your extender. And once again, this should be found on the device itself. So I'm just going to enter my password, which is displayed on my extender. And now this should take us over to the setup page. So this is going to differ slightly depending on your extender, but essentially what you need to do here is go and select your main router from the list. So mine's this top one here, and then we just need to enter the Wi-Fi password for our router. And once you've done all of this, you'll then be able to connect using your extender instead of your router. And it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.